Marble, with its timeless elegance and durability, has been revered for centuries as a symbol of luxury and sophistication. Behind the polished surfaces of marble countertops and grand architectural marvels lies a world of craftsmanship and precision. At the heart of this world are marble factories, where raw stone is transformed into exquisite works of art. The dedication of skilled artisans and the fusion of traditional and technology define this industry. Marble, a metamorphic rock formed from limestone subjected to intense heat and pressure, has captivated civilizations for millennia. Its journey begins deep within the Earth's crust, where geological forces transform sedimentary rock into crystalline beauty. Once extracted from the earth, raw marble blocks embark on a journey to the factory, where they undergo a series of transformative processes. These massive blocks arrive at the factory gates, ready to be shaped by skilled hands. At the heart of every marble factory lies a symphony of machines and artisans, working in harmony to bring out the inherent beauty of the stone. Here, cutting-edge technology meets age-old craftsmanship, as marble blocks are sliced, diced, and shaped with unparalleled precision. Marble's versatility knows no bounds, from architectural marvels to exquisite artworks. Polishing is where the true beauty of marble comes to life, as rough-hewn blocks are transformed into gleaming surfaces that capture the light with mesmerizing brilliance. Through a meticulous process of grinding, buffing, and sealing, artisans coax out the innate luster of the stone, revealing intricate patterns and subtle veining that speak to its geological origins. In the design studio, architects, designers, and clients collaborate to envision bespoke creations that push the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. Marble factories stand as testaments to human creativity and perseverance, where raw stone is transformed into enduring works of art that transcend time and space. Marble weaves its way into the fabric of human civilization, leaving a mark on history and culture. It is the craftsmanship, passion, and dedication that breathe life into every piece of marble, enriching our lives with beauty and wonder. In Pakistan, the price of marble tile starts from about 80 rupees per square foot, and it goes up to even 500 rupees per square foot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more videos related to construction.